Okay, to get started on this parallax animation, the first thing I'm going to do is highlight my photo, and then up in Effect Controls, let's change the scale of our image to 120. Now we want to go back to our timeline and duplicate our image. We can do this by holding Option and dragging our image up to the second video track to duplicate it. Now make sure the top layer is highlighted, and let's go up to Effect Controls. Under Opacity, let's grab this pen tool so we can create a mask around our subject. You're going to want to be pretty precise, so this might take some time to do. I'll go ahead and speed things up here so we can move on to the next step. Now that our subject is fully masked out, let's animate the car moving forward. So let's make sure we're at the first frame of our image, and then in Effect Controls under Motion, let's set a keyframe under Scale. Then let's go to the last frame of the image and set another keyframe. This time making it 135, so it's scaling up. And now we want to animate our background. It's going to be a similar process. Let's highlight that first video track layer, and then set a keyframe under Scale on the first frame. So then let's scroll ahead to the last frame of our image, set another keyframe under Scale, but this time scaling it down to 100. Okay, your parallax animation should be all set. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.